Hello friends, if you have find this video and channel interesting which will add value to your knowledge and learning, then please like it, subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon so as to get the automatic notification of latest uploaded videos. Thank you. Hello friends, let's see the topic 1. What is the difference between routing and routed protocol? So we have two types of protocol in it. One is the routing protocol and one is the routed protocol. What is the difference between them? Let's see. So if you see here in my explanation about the routing protocol and the routed protocol. So RIP, EIGRP, OSPF, BGP, these all are the routing protocols. Why it is a routing protocol? Because they are the ones that are creating the routing table and maintaining the routing table. So the one which creates and maintains the routing table are called as the routing table. Okay. So if you see the different types of routing table we have. So one is routing protocols we have. One is static routing. So that is also maintaining the routing table. Another is default routing protocol and another is dynamic routing protocol. So these RIP, EIGRP, OSPF, these all are the part of the dynamic routing protocol. Why it is dynamic? Because they are dynamically maintaining and creating the routing table in the router. So what are the different dynamic protocol? One is the IGP. So again, dynamic routing protocol is split into two parts. One is IGP, which is Interior Gateway Protocol, and another is EGP, which is Exterior Gateway Protocol. So IGP, again, IGP has three parts. One is distance vector, another is link state, another is hybrid. So RIP and IGRP are the part of the distance vector routing protocol. Link state routing protocol is OSPF and ISIS. Hybrid routing protocol is EIGRP, and BGP is the exterior gateway protocol, which is also known as path vector routing protocol. So routing protocol are those which create and maintains the routing table. Another we have a routed protocol. So what is routed protocol? So like routed protocols are IP, IPX, AppleTalk. So these are the routed protocols. Why it is called as routed protocols? Because they are the ones that carry the data from source to destination, such that to exchange the information over the internet. So routed protocol carries the data just like IP. We use IP version 6, IP version 4. So these are routed protocols. Why? Because their job is to route, or their job is to carry the data from source to destination. Okay. So I have shared some reference on my channel. You can refer more for the definition of routing protocol and the routed protocol. Let's explore. So here in this URL or Cisco site, Cisco Press site, the routing protocol is defined. Okay, so you can explore more about the routing protocols here. So there are different types of routing protocol and the classification, like I have explained earlier. We have dynamic routing protocol, static routing protocol, default routing protocol. Okay, so you can explore more in this URL if you want. Okay, so here have mentioned about the different dynamic routing protocols like RIP, IGRP. These all are legacy. RIP version 2, EIGRP, OSPF, ISIS, BGP. But mostly in production, we are using OSPF within the network, and if we need to connect with the ISP, we are mostly using BGP, which is the Border Gateway Protocol. Again, the routing protocol is classified into two different types of protocol, which is classful routing protocol, which is RIP version 1 IGRP, and another is classless routing protocol, which is RIP version 2 and EIGRP and others. So if you want to explore more about the routing protocol, different types of routing protocol, you can refer this link or this Cisco Press documentation. It is very useful. In one of the URL, in another URL, I have shared the link for the Cisco Learning Network, where someone has explained or differentiate about the routed and routing protocol. So someone has asked questions about it and someone has explained it. So if you see here, they have explained about the routing protocol and routed protocol. So a routed protocol are the traffic that routers directs from source to destination, means the data it carries from source to destination, like IP, HTTP, which I have already explained. And similarly, routing protocol are the means by which a router exchange next hop reachability information with each other, means the routing table it is mentioning about. So a routing protocol enables one router to tell all the other routers to which it is connected about the network that it can reach. OSPF, EIGRP, ISIS and BGP are the examples of routing protocols. So in simple terms, routing protocols are the protocols that are used or that creates and maintains the routing table, and routed protocols are the protocols like IP that is used to carry the data from source to destination. So you can explore these links which I have shared on my channel